Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to grill this awesome looking inside out California burger. Time to grill! So basically this idea comes from a Weber book, and there is a California burger in there, and what I did is interpret and renew this idea, because I got a lot of people saying in the past that sometimes there's too much bread on my burger, so I decided to make an in and out version out of that. Let's get started with the avocado mayonnaise, and the avocado mayonnaise consists of course, avocado, mayo, onions, garlic, chopped tomatoes, fresh coriander, salt and pepper. And we're going to mix this one, and of course lemon juice, I forgot the lemon juice. And we're going to mix this one, and we put this in the fridge for approximately 2 hours. So this one stays in there and the taste gets better. So this is for cooling down, because the next step we have to do is grilling some chili pepper. So of course you can use any chili pepper you like. We just grill this one, and we're going to cut this one, including the seeds, not too fine. I like the big pieces in there. And we're going to mix this one grilled chili pepper together with your ground beef. So this is ground beef, salt and pepper, the chili, and then we're gonna mix this one, and then we form 2 patties out of that. So the 2 patties are like the buns, and in the middle we're gonna put in a little bit piece of bread. That's my in and out idea. So I use a burger press today. This is only for one reason. That's because I want to have all the burger patties, including the bread, and almost the same size, so this helps a lot for doing that. So that's my burger patty, and that's the second one here. And fair enough, this is the bread, and that's why I use this burger press, because it's really helpful for also making the bread look like the same than the burger buns. So we're gonna toast this one later on. We're gonna grill this one a little bit until it's golden brown. But we're gonna get started with the burger patties. We're gonna grill these for approximately 3 to 4 minutes per side. Then we're gonna give this a flip. This is the faster version. Of course, like always, I will put the exact amount of ingredients for this awesome burger into the video description, so you can check it out there. I even will put in there some useful links for my US people, so you can check out the equipment I use and all the things. And so, after several minutes, you can give this one a flip. There you go. And grill it the same from the other side. So really easy. After several minutes and grilling it from the other side with a closed lid, you can add some cheese here. I added cheddar cheese, but of course you can use any cheese you like. So, and that's it. After roasting the bread in the middle, we're gonna put this bad boy together. Start with the bottom bun piece of meat with the cheese, some arugula, the bread, 2 tablespoons of that really cooling down avocado mayonnaise, and the other part of the bun, I mean the other patty, and it's really cool. So I'm gonna leave you alone with my original footage with trying that one. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe and comment. I'm out. See you. Okay, who says it's not possible to eat this inside out burger in your hand? We're gonna give this a shot. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa, that's really cool. You should try that. Really cool.